Welcome to this NTA NET JRF lecture on teaching aptitude, presented by Dr. Anjani Kumar. We will be covering Unit 1. We begin with specific methods of teaching, starting with the inferential problem-solving technique, which uses inductive and deductive procedures. This slide shows the steps for both the inductive and deductive methods. Team teaching, a cooperative approach, involves two or more teachers planning and evaluating instruction together for a large class. Micro-teaching is an innovative teacher training technique coined by Dwight Allen in 1960. Its features include focusing on skill development, reducing class size, and providing immediate feedback. The initial steps involve defining and demonstrating the skill. Micro-teaching continues with planning, teaching, discussion, replanning, reteaching, and rediscussion, repeating until the desired skill level is achieved. Another technique is question-answer, essential for instruction. Questioning serves several purposes, such as testing knowledge, arousing motivation, and promoting critical thinking. Teaching aids are tools used by teachers to enhance skills and make learning enjoyable. Examples include charts, which display facts in visual forms, flashcards for drilling facts and memory enhancement, and flip charts, which are versatile for teaching large groups and showing sequential content. Maps are valuable for teaching geography, social studies, and science, helping students understand spatial relations and various types of terrain. Newspapers are another great aid, useful for language arts, math, and keeping students current on news. Graphs are a flexible aid for any subject, allowing teachers to compare data and chart student growth. Surveys provide excellent feedback for teachers to improve skills and plan future lessons. Teaching aids generally enrich lessons and basic skills. Audio-visual aids appeal to the senses and ensure quick, effective learning. The advantages include making teaching effective and easy, using more sensory organs, and motivating students. Principles for audiovisual aids include fulfillment of objectives, selection, and effectiveness. This diagram illustrates the cone of experience, showing that direct learning through first-hand experiences is the most concrete. This is followed by vicarious learning through audiovisual materials, and finally, the most abstract level is vicarious learning through words and symbols. When selecting audiovisual aids, they must be integrated with learning, appropriate for the curriculum, and not just recreational. Choose aids suited to the objective, location, and audience size. They should match student intelligence and experience, be understandable, motivational, informative, and ensure clarity of sight and sound for all viewers. Audiovisual aids are classified into visual aids like the chalkboard, charts, and motion pictures, and auditory aids such as radio and audio players. The third category includes combined audiovisual aids like films and television. Information and educational technology is also a key area. Thank you for watching this video on teaching aptitude.